In this video, I'm going to share with you reasons why you may be experiencing vaginal itching and smell after your period. I will also share with you things you can do in order to solve this problem so that you can feel safe, confident every month after your period. Nepa, nice one. And the first reason why you experience itching and bad smell after your period is because of the hormonal changes that happen during menstruation. And one of these hormonal changes you may experience is low estrogen level during your period. During your period, your estrogen levels are usually low, and these low estrogen levels lead to vaginal dryness, which can contribute to vaginal itching and odor. Also, you will find out that there would also be a change in the balance of the good bacteria in your vagina, because in the vagina there is the good bacteria which we want to always be there. But in a case whereby, because of these hormonal changes, you'll find out that there is a change in the balance of these good bacteria. Maybe they are now low. It will give room for the overgrowth of yeast, which will lead to yeast infection, and this will cause itching and odor down there. This low estrogen level can also affect the vaginal pH. And once the vaginal pH is distorted, the vaginal pH normally should be acidic. But once it starts tending towards alkaline pH, it will actually give room for the growth of microorganisms. And this can cause bacterial vaginosis, that is the imbalance of bacteria in the vagina. And this would lead to itching and bad smell after your period. The second reason why you may be experiencing vaginal itch and smell after your period is because of the pH of the menstrual blood. The pH of the menstrual blood is alkaline in nature, and once it comes in contact with your vagina for a long period of time, it has the ability of altering the natural vaginal pH, which is acidic on a normal day, and this can give room for the growth of bacteria, leading to itching and bad smell. This is actually the reason why you should try as much as you can to change your pads or tampon frequently, because you wouldn't want the menstrual blood to stay for so long or be in contact with your vagina for a long period of time. This would give room for bacterial growth. The third reason is having a poor feminine hygiene. If you don't bathe regularly, at least twice a day, you don't use cotton underwears, you don't wash your vulva with a mild soap, or you are among those that believe that you don't need to wash your vulva with soap, please, you need to wash your vulva with soap, but a mild emollient soap. The part of your body that you shouldn't wash is your vagina, which is inside. The vulva is the outer part of the vagina. So if you have a poor feminine hygiene, it's very likely for you to experience vaginal itch and odor after your menstruation because of the way you take care of yourself poorly. So here are things you can do to reduce itching and smell after your period. The first one is to eat healthy. Trust me, throughout the month, if you focus on eating healthy and eating a balanced diet, you will find out that you will unlikely experience this itching and odor in your vagina after your period, because eating healthy has a way of nourishing your body, and it has a way of boosting your immune system so that your body will be able to fight any infection that might want to occur after your period, maybe because of hormonal changes or because of the pH of the menstrual blood. The second thing you can do is to take enough water throughout the month. Trust me, water is one quick way of boosting your immune system. If you take enough water, if you take in enough water throughout the month, you will find out that your immune system would be intact and you won't be having this issue of having itching and maybe a smelly vagina after your period. And also, water will go a long way to flush toxins out of your body, thereby cleansing your vagina. The next one is to try as much as you can to change your pads often. Don't use one pad throughout the day. You can change your pads every 8 hours in order not to make your vagina to be favorable for microorganisms to grow in. The next one is to have a good feminine hygiene. This, whether before or after your period, always take care of yourself. Always bathe twice a day. Always wash your vulva well with a mild soap. These are the things you should do, and you'll find out that whether you're on your period or after your period, you won't be experiencing itching or a smelly or having a smelly vagina. And just in case you are experiencing an itchy vagina without a discharge. I made a video where I talked about having vaginal itch without discharge and how you can handle this. If you're interested in that video, just watch this video. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll keep giving you health information for everybody and particularly for women. Thank you for watching.